Hello guys, so here I am with those pesky screws that I have to remove to remove the rotor, and I have two of them. Lovely. And they're a real pain usually, but I have a technique that is very easy to do. Yes, this is weird. The wheel knuckle is on the ground. It's because they destroy one car and I have to remove the rotor from it. But I'm going to show you what you do with this one, okay? So the technique that you use to remove this one is you just use nice Phillips like this one, and if you notice it has something like crevices here, like check it out. Let's see if I can, there you go. You see that? So it grabs into it, but the key here is just put it there and now hammer it like a few times. There, it won't come out. Then, in order to fit that thing, I have one of this. I think it's 1/4. Let me see. The metal one, the shiny one, is 1/4. That will fit exactly on this one, and it won't swivel, of course. And then I adapted so I can use this long one here. And it's key that it's long because you have a lot more lever. I'm filming with one hand, but then you keep pressure if you have the two hands. Keep pressure on it so it doesn't come out. And you go slowly. Let's see. There it is. It came out. Let's do it with this one. That's it. I had so much trouble with these ones in the past. If you try to use a screwdriver with your hand and with the torque that the screwdriver has, it's impossible. You just have to use something like this, and the key is to adapt it to something like this, and it comes out super easily, and you can reuse them if you want to. I hope this helps. Please subscribe and help me spread the word. Thank you.